Welcome back, everyone. Okay, there's one more thing that we need to do before we move on from tables. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to make sure there's a little bit of space up here. I'm going to type in another row. Remember, just table row, tr. And instead of putting a table data, I'm going to put in a table header. And as you can guess, that would be th. Okay, and I'm going to push /th. And what this is this is basically a table data cell, but the text is like a header. So I'm going to type this header 1. That's pretty simple, and you can probably guess that if you copy and paste this and you add in more table header cells, you will actually get the same effect that you would get if you added table data cells. Okay? And that's pretty simple. Now, one other thing I should mention about all of this is that anything within the two tags is simple text. And so what does that mean? That means that we can actually edit that text with other tags. So if you go ahead and push underline, you can actually see that you can underline the text. Okay? And just as a test, I want you to put header 2 as a strikeout. Do you remember how to do that? Why don't you just pause the video, type it in, and then I'll show you. Alright, so if you want to go ahead and add in a strikeout, it's just strike. Okay? And close that off. And you actually have to spell strike correctly. There we go. And you close that off too. Alright. And so you can add in pretty much anything you want here. You can add in italics, emphasis, anything you want within the table. And you can actually do this within the table data cells as well. Alright? And that concludes the tutorial. I'll see you guys next time.